Prediction markets promise to make every possible event tradable. This comes with a problem. Not every event is tradable, and if it is, sometimes there's liquidity problems. So we created a tool that lets you create any synthetic event and trade its probability. For example, let's say you want to trade if the US will strike Iran. Our model creates a hierarchical search and researches multiple diverse datasets, extracts topics related to your query, then finds hundreds of markets related to those topics. And finally, after semantic analysis through natural language models, as well as a knowledge graph that we've constructed, it finds a basket of the most well-correlated markets that would best approximate your search. Here for demonstrability, we've found a case where the target market actually exists, but you can imagine also a case where the blue line, the target market, does not exist. So our synthetic basket is composed of these related polymarkets, and our model, through some machine learning, decides a weighing of how to best create a tradable asset for the specific goal that you're trying to trade. How does it work under the hood? First, we construct vector embeddings of related topics so we can map what is most closely related to the user query. This way we can extract the key topics and then extract from that the key markets that are related to the user query, as well as related Wikipedia topics, so that we can even find topics that might not be using similar words. Next, we rank all possible markets based on their relevance and correlation, as well as trading volume, to find what are the best options for our synthetic basket. And finally, we use the machine learning model that we trained to create the weights for each market within our basket to best approximate the target ETF. This is best illustrated by this graph that we built, where you can see events here in orange, topics here in gray that connect events, as well as red tradable markets. Our knowledge graph iteratively builds layer upon layer to find the most correlated and far away connected elements to create the best synthetic basket for any event that you might want to trade. All of this is done automatically and decides when to stop and when it has information to produce a good basket.